Well, gentlemen, say hi, monkey. Hi, monkey. He's going to help me today, aren't you, mate? Yeah, I am, Paul. Right, here we go. I'm going to be showing you how to pot on these Gypsophila. These are double snow maiden, I think. Snow flakes, sorry. So let's get everything set up. I've got my peat-based compost here. It got delivered. Lovely consistency. Really good for seed sowing. Anything like that. Potting on. Really nice texture. Really nice crumbly texture. That's got a certain amount of feed in just to help get things started. Get my camera set up, folks. Show my new shelving, which is great. I'm loving it. I've got all this extra space. I've got another set of these to put up. I might move this into the middle and put a set down there. So then I've doubled the amount of space for seed sowing and growing. So yeah, let's get these. I'm using these 9cm pots. So just get some compost in there. Make sure it's all broken up nicely. Once it's in there, just give it a little tap down like so. And then all we need to do then is prick these out. And here we go, just got a pen, which is perfect. Just down underneath, you want to get as much as the roots as you can. As you can see there, that's got a nice bit of root with it there. All we need to do then is spin this around a little bit. Just make your hole big enough for the root ball to go into. And then I like just a bit of compost around the edge. Like so. Give it a little gentle tap down. Put that one over there. Get another one done. Yeah, Gypsophila, a really nice flower to grow. Flower ranges love it. Nice and airy. It gives a really good display in the summer. It's a perennial variety. When you pick them up, get them by the leaves. You don't want any of the main leaves. Use the first leaves that grew when it was a seed. Don't want to use the true leaves. They're what they use for converting sunlight into feed, photosynthesis. But you want to make sure all the roots are covered up. So yeah, as you can see here, I've got a few left to take out. I'll probably leave this for a few more weeks actually. When I've took all these out, some more might germinate, you never know. But I've got enough space to do that. Let's do one more. But yeah, having a good potting bench makes a big difference. Up to a couple of years ago I was really struggling for space. I didn't have enough, couldn't swing a cat. Just get a bit more in there. Nice tap down. Get underneath it. Nice little root ball with there. Into the centre. All the way around. And that's it. That's how to pot on your Gypsophila. Once that's done, what you can do is give them a little water from the top with your pop bottle watering can, like so, and then spin them round, and these will then go, sorry about this folks, these will then go into my watering tray. You want to hold them, make sure they don't tip over. Once they've been fully watered, they will come out and go onto this tray at the top. So yeah, that's how to pot on your Gypsophila. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Say goodbye, monkey. Say goodbye, folks. Goodbye, monkey.